Good evening and welcome to Omnisend Product News, where we bring you the latest updates that will help you optimize your email marketing even more. I'm Arnas and here's what's new at Omnisend this month. First up, Omnisend has introduced the Trigger Preview tool. This new feature lets you preview your automations using real contact data. It allows you to check how workflows will perform before launching them live, ensuring everything works as expected. So whether you're setting up new automations or adjusting existing ones, this tool helps you troubleshoot and refine your setup, so there are no surprises once the workflow is active. Also new in automations, Omnisend has added a Prevent Overlapping Workflows feature. This option under Frequency Settings helps ensure that contacts won't enter multiple automations at the same time. For instance, if someone is already in a post-purchase flow, they'll be temporarily skipped from other workflows, like an abandoned cart reminder. This allows for smoother communication with your audience, avoiding multiple messages hitting the same contact at once. Oh, what's that? Ladies and gentlemen, it would appear we have some breaking news. Omnisend has just expanded the targeting options for forms, giving you more flexibility in how and when forms are shown to visitors. We have Arnas on the scene of the first customer to try this feature. Over to you. Thank you, Arnas. Starting with URL targeting, you can now display forms based on specific pages or keywords in the URL. This allows you to tailor forms to particular sections of your website, making them more relevant to what your visitors are viewing. We have the first customer to use this feature with us now. Tell us, what do you think about this revolutionary feature?
It's great. I love it.
Very insightful. You heard it here first, folks. It's great and this guy loves it. Back to the studio, Arnas. Thanks, Arnas. Another new option is source targeting, which allows you to show forms based on where the visitor come from. Whether that's social media, direct traffic, or a referral link, it's an easy way to ensure your messaging fits how people find your site. On top of that, UDM parameter targeting gives you the ability to show forms based on specific marketing campaigns. Visitors who arrive through certain links can now see the forms that are aligned with the message of the campaign they followed. And finally, we have Arnas for integrations. Thank you, Arnas. Also, me, I seem to have worn green in front of the green screen. Oh well. We have two new WordPress add-ons that have just been released: Lifter LMS and Paid Memberships Pro. With Lifter LMS add-on, you can sync contacts, new subscribers, courses, and membership levels between your Lifter LMS platform and Omnisend. The Paid Memberships Pro add-on allows you to sync membership data from your site, making it simple to manage subscribers and communicate with your audience efficiently. Also in the Omnisend App Store, two new apps are now available. GreenSpark helps you incentivize signups by offering environmental rewards, like tree planting or ocean plastic recovery, when someone subscribes to your newsletter. And finally, ClassPo. This app allows you to create custom interactive pop-ups to improve engagement and conversions on your website. Whether capturing leads or promoting offers, ClassPo gives you tools to make pop-ups that suit your brand. That's it for me. Now back to the studio. Frank, check this out. I'm back, man. Thank you, Arnas. And that concludes this month's Omnisend product news. We'll keep you updated with the latest developments, and as always, you can explore these features in your Omnisend account. Coming up next, we've got Too Cold to Handle, where contestants see if they can survive 1 week without a blankie and hot chalky during this October. Trust me, it's going to be a chilling episode. Thanks for watching, and I will now shuffle the paper that was on the desk the whole time and pretend to talk to my colleague who should be sitting next to me as the camera pulls away. Blah blah blah, filler nonsense, business charts, sports, and maybe stocks. Yes, exactly.